Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and mobile office package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed liner, mud flaps on the rear, nice black gripped running boards with trailer tow mirrors that are blind spot detection. You got a side view camera and spotlight and turn light indicated, mud flaps on the front. We do get a nice hood deflector with front park sensing, 2 tow hitches, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space. You got floor mats and carpeted interior. Got storage, 12 volt, well, cup holders as well, 2 USB-Cs and 120, and you can lift the seats if you need additional storage, and you do get a flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we do have powered seats, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. You got your parking brake lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 20.6 kilometers. We do have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking at our steering wheel, we've got a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking over here, we have a leather-wrapped gear select, and well as your speeds, it is collapsible. Storage with cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. Leather-wrapped center console that turns into an interior work surface, as well as turns into regular console here. You have your drive modes plus rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, your engine start, heated front seats with dual climate, a 12 volt and 120. Got secret storage there, as well as below, storage above. We do get a nice rear window opener. And looking above our screen here, we have our auto stop auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and your BLUECRUISE. Looking at your screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, your fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, will show up in this screen here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF65038, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.